Camera, action.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Savory Dining Restaurant. Do you have a reservation, ma'am?
Yes.
Under what name, ma'am?
Alex.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, for a while for verifying your reservation. Okay, excuse me, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I've already verified your reservation, so this way, please, ma'am. Ma'am, this table is all right for you, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Have a seat, ma'am. Good morning again, ma'am. My name is Vanessa, your food attendant for today's, and it's my pleasure to serve you, ma'am. Would you like me to put your table napkin in your lap, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. How about the water, ma'am? Do you like some water?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me. May I pour the water in your glass, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to try our complimentary soft drink with butter?
Yes, please.
What about our complimentary juice, ma'am? Strawberry milk juice, ma'am, for your refreshment.
Okay, yes, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Excuse me. Okay, ma'am. Here's your complimentary bread and for your complimentary juice. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I present to you our menu for your food selection, ma'am? If you are ready to order, just call my attention, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Waiter, please. Okay, ma'am. Are you ready to order, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. But before you order, ma'am, may I know if you have an allergy?
Wala naman.
Okay, ma'am. So what is your order, ma'am?
I'll go for one steak.
Yes, ma'am. One order of beef steak. And how would you like to cook your beef steak? Is well done or medium rare?
I go for well done.
Okay, ma'am. Well done.
Yes. Then,
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our best seller for our dessert, the chocolate cake, and for our drinks, the hot chocolate. It's good for the weather.
okay, thank you. Then I'll go for that. One chocolate cake and then one hot chocolate drinks.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So I'll just repeat your order, ma'am. One order of beef steak, well done, and one order of chocolate cake, and also one order of hot chocolate. And ma'am, can I take the menu? Okay, ma'am. How would you like to serve your food? All at once or once at a time?
Go for all at once.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just serve your food at 10 to 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I set the table, ma'am?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your order, ma'am. So your steak, ma'am. And your hot chocolate. And for your dessert, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me.
Waiter,
Okay, ma'am.
I think that, hindi pa masyadong well done yung steak.
See? Okay, ma'am. Sorry for that inconvenience, ma'am. Papalitan na lang ng bagong order, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Excuse me. Here's your new order, ma'am. So I'm sorry for that inconvenience again. Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Excuse me. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to try our best-seller wine, the Carlo Rossi wine, came from California, New with 12% alcohol volume, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Can I pour in your glass, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. And how's your food, ma'am? It's good. How's the wine, ma'am? Did you enjoy the wine?
Yes, of course.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done, ma'am?
Yes.
So may I clean the table, ma'am?
Okay, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Bill, please. Okay, ma'am. Here's your bill, ma'am. And how would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Please cash or credit, ma'am? Cash. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I received 2,000, ma'am. So just for a moment, ma'am, I will back to get your change and receipt, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Here is your receipt, ma'am, and change, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Did you enjoy our restaurant, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Please come again. Ma'am, would you like to assist? Would you like me to assist you in your account, ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Please wait, please, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for dining with us. Come again, ma'am. Thank you.